Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Today, we are making spicy garlic butter shrimp, a simple yet incredibly flavorful dish that combines juicy shrimp, rich butter, fragrant garlic, and a delicious kick of chili. This recipe is perfect for seafood lovers who enjoy bold flavors and a little extra heat in their meals. The great thing about spicy garlic butter shrimp is that it comes together quickly, making it an excellent choice for a busy weeknight dinner, a weekend meal, or even a special gathering with family and friends. The shrimp cooks in just a few minutes, while the garlic butter sauce creates a rich coating that makes every bite incredibly satisfying. To begin, choose fresh or properly thawed shrimp. You can use large or medium shrimp depending on your preference. Remove the shells and devein the shrimp if they have not already been cleaned, and leave the tails on if you want a more attractive presentation. Once the shrimp are cleaned, pat them dry using paper towels. Removing excess moisture is important because dry shrimp will brown better in the pan instead of releasing too much water. Place the shrimp in a bowl and season them lightly with salt, black pepper, paprika, and a little chili powder. If you enjoy very spicy food, you can add cayenne pepper or crushed red pepper flakes. Mix everything together until the shrimp are evenly coated. Now prepare the ingredients for the garlic butter sauce. You will need butter, plenty of fresh garlic, chili flakes, lemon juice, and a little chopped parsley. Fresh garlic is especially important because it gives the dish its signature aroma and deep flavor. You can use minced garlic, finely chopped garlic, or even grated garlic depending on how strong you want the garlic flavor to be. For the spicy element, there are several options. Crushed red pepper flakes provide a warm and noticeable kick, cayenne pepper brings a sharper heat, and fresh chili peppers add both heat and freshness. You can choose one or combine several types of chili depending on your preferred spice level. Remember that the goal is not simply to make the shrimp painfully hot. The best spicy dishes balance heat with flavor, so start with a moderate amount and increase the spice gradually. Once all the ingredients are prepared, heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add a little cooking oil along with a portion of the butter. The oil helps prevent the butter from burning too quickly while still giving the shrimp that rich buttery flavor. When the butter begins to melt and become fragrant, carefully add the seasoned shrimp to the pan. Arrange them in a single layer so they have enough space to cook evenly. Let the shrimp cook for about 2 minutes on the first side without moving them too much. As they cook, you will notice their color changing from gray and translucent to pink and opaque. Once the first side has developed a little golden color, turn the shrimp over and cook the other side. Shrimp cook very quickly, so keep a close eye on them. Overcooking can make shrimp rubbery and tough, while properly cooked shrimp should be tender, juicy, and slightly firm. When the shrimp are almost fully cooked, reduce the heat to medium and add more butter to the pan. Then add the minced garlic and chili flakes. Stir everything gently so the garlic cooks in the butter and releases its wonderful aroma. Be careful not to burn the garlic because burnt garlic can become bitter and overpower the entire dish. Cook the garlic just until it becomes fragrant and lightly golden. At this point, the pan will start filling with an irresistible garlic and butter aroma. Add a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten the sauce. The acidity from the lemon balances the richness of the butter and helps bring out the natural sweetness of the shrimp. You can also add a little lemon zest for even more citrus flavor. If you want the sauce to be slightly richer, add another small piece of butter and let it melt into the pan. Gently toss the shrimp so every piece becomes coated in the spicy garlic butter sauce. The combination of butter, garlic, chili, and lemon creates a sauce that is rich, spicy, savory, and slightly tangy. Finish the dish with freshly chopped parsley. The parsley adds a fresh flavor and a pop of color that makes the shrimp look even more appetizing. You can also sprinkle a little extra chili flakes over the top if you want the dish to look as spicy as it tastes. Now your spicy garlic butter shrimp is ready to serve. There are many ways to enjoy this dish. You can serve the shrimp over steamed white rice, where the rice can soak up all that delicious garlic butter sauce. You can also serve it with pasta, noodles, toasted bread, or mashed potatoes. If you are looking for a lighter option, serve the shrimp with a fresh salad or steamed vegetables. One of the best combinations is spicy garlic butter shrimp with warm crusty bread. The bread can be dipped directly into the leftover sauce, making sure none of that flavorful garlic butter goes to waste. If you want to make the dish even more exciting, consider adding additional ingredients. Chopped bell peppers can provide sweetness and color, while sliced onions add another layer of flavor. You can also add mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, spinach, or corn depending on what you have available. For a seafood feast, combine the shrimp with squid, mussels, or crab, but make sure each seafood ingredient is cooked appropriately so nothing becomes overcooked. Another delicious variation is to turn the shrimp into a spicy garlic butter pasta. After cooking the shrimp, remove them temporarily from the pan and prepare cooked pasta in the same garlic butter sauce. Add a splash of pasta water to help create a smooth sauce, then return the shrimp to the pan and toss everything together. Finish with parsley, lemon juice, and a little grated cheese if desired. The result is a creamy, spicy, garlicky meal that can easily become a family favorite. You can also use this recipe for appetizers. Arrange the cooked shrimp on a serving plate with lemon wedges and a small bowl of extra garlic butter sauce. These shrimp make a great party appetizer because they are easy to prepare and packed with flavor. For a stronger spicy flavor, you can prepare a homemade chili garlic butter by mixing softened butter with minced garlic, chili flakes, paprika, parsley, and lemon zest. This mixture can be refrigerated and used whenever you want to quickly add flavor to shrimp, chicken, vegetables, bread, or pasta. When preparing spicy garlic butter shrimp, one of the most important things to remember is not to overcrowd the pan. If you add too many shrimp at once, the temperature of the pan can drop and the shrimp may release too much liquid. Instead, cook them in batches if necessary. This allows the shrimp to develop a better texture and gives them lightly browned edges. Another important tip is to avoid cooking the shrimp for too long. Shrimp can go from perfectly cooked to overcooked very quickly. Watch for the shrimp to turn pink and opaque, and look for a gentle curve in their shape. Properly cooked shrimp should be tender and juicy rather than extremely curled and firm. When serving spicy food, it is also helpful to provide cooling ingredients on the side. Fresh lemon or lime, creamy dipping sauce, avocado, or a simple cucumber salad can help balance the heat. If you are cooking for a family with different spice preferences, keep the base garlic butter sauce mild and add extra chili to individual portions. This way, everyone can enjoy the same delicious meal at their preferred spice level. For those who love extremely spicy food, you can take the heat further by using fresh Thai chilies, cayenne pepper, extra chili flakes, or a very spicy hot sauce. Add the heat gradually and taste as you go because different chilies can vary significantly in intensity. The best spicy shrimp recipe should still allow you to taste the sweetness of the shrimp and the richness of the garlic butter. Spicy garlic butter shrimp is proof that you do not need complicated ingredients to create an impressive meal. With just shrimp, butter, garlic, chili, lemon, and a few seasonings, you can create a dish that tastes like it came from a restaurant kitchen. It is fast, customizable, and perfect for both everyday meals and special occasions. The combination of tender shrimp, rich butter, fragrant garlic, bright lemon, and spicy chili creates a flavor that is difficult to resist. Whether you serve it with rice, pasta, bread, vegetables, or enjoy it on its own, this recipe is guaranteed to bring plenty of flavor to the table. So, if you are looking for a quick seafood recipe that is bold, spicy, buttery, and incredibly satisfying, spicy garlic butter shrimp is definitely worth trying. Prepare your shrimp, heat up your skillet, bring out the garlic and butter, and get ready for a delicious meal packed with seafood flavor and a fiery kick. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.